All right, boys. Fred just found a trail cam, and it's got footage of us. Bro, it's got flash on too. We're so cooked.
Let's see what Forest Crimes got caught in 4K. Nah, they got Fred hitting the geek bar.
We'll blur it in post, bro. Don't worry. It'll look like a possum with a fog machine.
Bro, what else they got on here?
Nah, they caught us lacking in the Subi, too.
Some booger sugar to the cops. We're cooked, boys. They gave us 69 years. Our lawyer's defense was sharing is caring, and now we're getting sent to Alcatraz.
We made it. I think Diddy is our neighbor because we keep hearing someone goon next door. They also only gave us one bed. Hopefully Downsy doesn't get any ideas.
We need to escape. All they gave...
I feel a bit funny. My eyes are glowing.
Okay, you are not gonna believe this. Humans in black suits, they're everywhere down there at the crash.
I gotta get out of here. They're everywhere.
So I'm crying, obviously. Don't worry, I'm fine. This is just therapeutic sobbing. Like a facial, but for trauma. I just broke up with my boyfriend. And you know, I'm mostly crying because this mascara was $24 and it's not even waterproof. Capitalism is the real villain here. You know what really gets me?
Hello, welcome to AI Factory. I'm sure many of you have seen those viral vlog-style videos blowing up on social media recently. Not just regular vlogs, but character vlogs like Bigfoot or gorilla holding a selfie stick, talking straight to the camera with a dead serious tone while doing funny or absurd things. The footage looks so real, it's hard to believe it's AI generated. Check out these clips. Each one has pulled in millions of views. The wild part? They're not real at all. These ultra-realistic vlogs were created completely with AI in just minutes, using image-to-video generation combined with perfectly synced voiceovers. They're powered by Google's latest VEO3 AI video model, which can generate complete cinematic clips with sound and narration from just a single prompt. But here's the catch. It's expensive, tightly restricted, and the free credits barely get you anywhere. That's why today I'm going to show you how to make the same kind of videos, sharp visuals, talking characters, fully ready for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, and more, all without spending a dime. Let me introduce you to this tool, Magi AI. Magi AI is a powerful open-source video AI that creates smooth, consistent, and customizable videos. It works for text-to-video, image-to-video, and video continuation, giving you precise control through its chunk-by-chunk generation method. Sign in using Google or another option. You'll find the link in the description below this video. Once you log in to Magi, you'll land on the dashboard, your main workspace. Since this is your first time using it, all projects will be listed here, and right now, it's almost empty. In the center, you'll see a large card that says, Create New Project. At the top of the page, there are 3 menus: Canvas, Human, and Assets. This is where you'll start creating your AI videos. Just click the Create New Project card to begin. In the top right corner, you can check your plan status. The free plan includes 500 credits. Later in this video, I'll show you how to get unlimited credits, so make sure to watch until the end. Now you're ready to start creating your first AI video. After clicking Create New Project, you'll see 2 cards. One lets you upload an image, video clip, or any supported media file you want the AI to work with. The other lets you choose a file from your assets library. This could be something you've used before or an existing resource from Magi. If you're making a new movie or short video, this will be your starting clip. Once you select an image or video from your resources, Magi will take you to the next screen, where you can begin crafting your AI-generated video. Click the plus sign to access the creative controls for your video generation settings. Here, you can enter a prompt describing the action, style, or storyline you want the AI to apply. Below that, you can set the video length, for example, 5 seconds, and choose how many variations you want Magi to generate. There's also a toggle switch for enhanced prompting, which uses AI assistance to refine details and improve visual fidelity. Once everything is ready, click the gold Generate button at the bottom. You'll see the cost, in this example 50 credits, and Magi will start transforming your image into a dynamic AI-generated video. Magi AI represents a major leap in controllable, open video generation. Its chunk-based approach has the potential to redefine real-time AI video creation. Simply put, You can control the length and content of each clip while keeping the characters consistent. Magi will now start processing your video, and this screen shows the generation in progress. A status bar will display a generating message, giving you an idea of how long it will take, about 4 minutes in this example. Below, there's a duplicate button that lets you quickly clone your settings for small tweaks or to try a different prompt. You'll also notice a plus video extension option. This feature allows you to continue or extend the animation by adding a new prompt. You can define the next clip's length, choose the number of variations, and optionally enable enhanced prompting or high-quality rendering. When you're ready to extend your video, you can use additional credits to generate the extra clip. This workflow makes it easy to create smooth, frame-consistent videos, letting you gradually build longer sequences for a polished short film or an engaging short-form video. Let's take a look at the result. Aside from the hands looking a bit odd, the rest of the dance is excellent with high clarity. Let's go back to the previous page. You'll see your first project there. Now, let's check out the human feature, which lets you create an AI avatar with real-time lip sync. There are 3 options. Capture photo, take a picture on the spot. Upload photo, use an image from your device. Choose from Assets Library. Select from your saved images. Below, you'll also find some sample avatar photos provided by Magi AI. I'll upload a photo I've already prepared. New to AI image generators? No worries, I've made it easy for you. Head over to my channel and dive into my tutorial videos, where I walk you through some of the most powerful text-to-image tools out there. I recently shared a tutorial featuring an unlimited AI tool that can generate both images and videos, and the image you're seeing here was created using that exact tool. Want to learn how? Check out the tutorials on my channel. If you're interested in creating AI beauty influencer vlog-style videos and want tips on writing effective prompts, I've already covered that in another tutorial, how to create AI beauty influencers to get millions of views. In that video, I walk you through the entire process step by step. Be sure to check it out. I won't be repeating those details here. The second step is choosing a voice, and there are 4 options. Generate audio. I convert text to speech with a variety of male and female voices. Costs 10 credits. Create a custom voice. Requires upgrading your plan. Record your voice. Capture your own audio directly. Upload audio. Use an existing file from your device or Assets Library. I'll upload an audio file I made using 11 Labs, an AI platform for generating realistic voices. All you do is paste your text, pick a voice, and you'll get a high-quality audio clip. It's super convenient. Plus, you get 10,000 free characters per month. After uploading, you can optionally add a prompt for the video or skip it. But if you include prompts about character actions, camera movements, and environmental lighting, your video generation results will turn out even better. I've put together the Bigfoot or Gorilla Vlog video template and the image prompt template for the Bigfoot or Gorilla Vlog moment. Both are now available in the tutorial description. Click the link to explore them. This generation costs 62 credits, and the waiting time may vary depending on when your task is processed. Let's take a look at how it turned out.
Yeah, baby. Whoa! Look at this vicious cast. I'm the king of the river. Let's go! Ha 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 ha! Hit that like button before I eat this bad boy raw. Doka!
For the watermark, go to the Bigfoot website. It offers both image and video watermark removal. Let's talk about unlimited generation. To get free credits, you'll need a temporary email. The link is in my video description. First, log out of your current account and go to the temp mail website. It will give you a temporary email, copy it. Then go back to Magi AI, fill in the registration details using that email, and return to the temp mail page. Refresh your inbox, and you'll see an email from Magi AI. Open it and click the verification link. And there you go, you've got another 500 credits. Repeat this process to easily create unlimited accounts and enjoy endless AI video creation. If you enjoyed my video and found it helpful, please smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you at the next one.